Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver's fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now let's have a look at the driver's door. Actually, everything here looks fine. Moving on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Okay, the back of the car looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on the spoiler. And the back bumper looks good. Moving on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Moving on to the passenger door. Everything here looks fine. No scratches on the back of the mirror. No scratches on the door. Now the last fender and wheel. Everything here is spotless. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. Starting with the driver's seat. Seeing any wear and tear at all. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. And everything here looks perfect as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also, backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The buttons are in excellent condition, and the suede and stitching looks perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.